Okay, so I have my L square here and a rotary cutter and my self-healing mat. And with the mat, you'll see I have folded my fabric. This is just a large piece of fabric. I folded it so it is manageable here. It's approximately 18 inches, 17 inches long. And I'm going to straighten it out so that this edge is along the first line here. And then using my L square, I'm going to just place it right up along the edge of that 1 inch mark. And starting here, just slice across. This is your first piece, and you will see I don't cut these apart until I'm actually starting to sew. These are extremely long. This fabric here is just really long, so I can get 4 pieces out of this one right here. And I just typically will cut in the center there, and then that will give you 4 pieces of ties. And they just separate out like that. And you can see that, sometimes they come out a little bit smaller in between, especially with the first couple cuts when you're getting started. So I'll just make one more. I'm going to move over using my lines here on my cutting mat. Make sure it's lined up on both ends. Just slice it across. Alright, and you can see once I did the second cut, it's more evenly distributed all the way through. And that is how you cut your knit for your ties. If you have a t-shirt, you can just do the same thing, just start at the bottom and cut it in strips, and it works better if you have a t-shirt that doesn't have the seams on the side. Okay, thank you.